upbeat music playing? Welcome back to the channel that helps you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two heavyweights in the mop ring, Shark and Bissell. We're putting the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop against the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop. These mops are here to steam your floors and your worries away. Let's see which one will emerge victorious. Let's kick things off with the price. The Shark S5003D comes in at a cool $129, which many reviewers find reasonable for the performance it offers. They appreciate its efficiency in cleaning and the extra steam option for stubborn stains. On the flip side, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim is priced at $164. While some users mention it's a bit pricier, they also highlight its versatility and the effectiveness of its various cleaning attachments. So cheaper or more features? That's the question! Next up is the water tank capacity. The Shark has a 220 milliliter tank, which users find adequate for their cleaning needs. They love the steam power it provides. However, the BISSELL doesn't specify its tank size, leaving some reviewers in the dark. While some find it sufficient for quick cleanups, others are left guessing whether it can handle larger tasks without constant refills. Mystery can be fun, but not when you're trying to clean. Now, let's talk cleaning features. The Shark features a genius head with direct steam channeling and double-sided dirt grip washable pads, making it a favorite among users who appreciate its efficiency and ease of use. Reviewers have praised it for removing dirt from vinyl floors effortlessly. Meanwhile, the BISSELL is a two-in-one powerhouse, functioning as both a handheld steam cleaner and mop. Users rave about its ability to eliminate 99.9% of germs and the variety of attachments that come with it, making it a versatile choice for different cleaning tasks. When it comes to technology, the Shark's touch-free technology is a hit among users, allowing them to clean without handling dirty pads. Reviewers feel like they have a personal assistant. Conversely, the BISSELL has an extension tube for reaching high and low spots. While some find it convenient, others have reported issues with steam consistency during prolonged use. Users appreciate the technology, but it seems BISSELL has some room for improvement. In summary, both the Shark S5003D and BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam Mops have their strengths. Reviewers generally find the Shark easy to use, efficient, and a good value for its price. Meanwhile, the BISSELL is praised for its versatility and effectiveness across multiple surfaces, although some users note concerns about steam output consistency. So which one should you buy? The Shark S5003D is perfect for those who want a reliable, no-fuss mop that cleans like a dream. Meanwhile, the BISSELL PowerFresh is your go-to if you want versatility and a whole kit of cleaning gadgets. Both mops are excellent choices, but it really depends on your cleaning style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you think deserves the crown. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart. Upbeat music fades out.